And now, Pigs in Space! Starring the fatuous Captain Link Hogthrob, the recalcitrant First Mate Miss Piggy, and the indescribable Dr. Strangepork. When last we left the spaceship Swine Trek, it was in serious danger as it plummeted towards Earth at an alarming rate.
Oh, Dr. Strangepork, why are we plummeting toward Earth at an alarming rate?
We've lost the number 3 engine.
Well, how long will it take to fix it?
We can't. It's really lost. It fell off.
Is there anything we can do?
Yes, we can maintain our present altitude if we lighten the weight of the rocket ship.
How much weight will we have to toss overboard?
1 pig. Yeah, that should do it.
Rather drastic, isn't it?
Oh, I wasn't thinking of you, Link. You're the captain.
Oh. Well, then perhaps it isn't so drastic.
Well, I would volunteer myself, except that I'm the only one who knows how all this technical stuff works.
That's very true. Well, if it isn't you or me...
Well, I just finished doing the laundry.
Oh, well, thank you, First Mate Piggy.
But I'm telling you right now, that is the last laundry this pig is doing.
You can say that again.
Miss Piggy, I have a new assignment for you.
Oh, yes, my Captain.
Dr. Strangepork, do you mind?
Oh, of course. I'll see you later, Link. Bon voyage, Miss Piggy.
Weird exit line.
First Mate Piggy, I need your help.
Yes, a reassignment. Yes.
We are losing altitude, and we must lighten the weight of the rocket by throwing something overboard.
Oh, and you want me to help you decide what?
No.
Oh?
We've already decided what.
What? Are you out of your mind?
No hard feelings, I hope, Miss Piggy.
No hard feelings? Why, you...
Au revoir, Fatso!
Fatso this!
Tune in next week and see the replacement for Pigs